Hello y'all, I thought I'd share this Panasonic 308 Easyphone PBX that I got. Got it all wired up. Nice wires going in. And here's the inside. So here we got the Magic Jack and my caller ID box, which this actually goes to this cordless phone so I can see who calls. And then CO2 is my asterisk line, and that goes to caller ID. And then right here is asterisk line number 2, which that is ran on this Linksys PAP. And then we got our 8 extensions hooked up, which goes from answering machine, my wall phone, that's a rotary, third one's downstairs phone, which is a rotary, and then number 4 goes to this phone, number 5 it goes to this phone, what is number 6? Oh, number 6 is that phone. Number 5 goes to the cordless, our 49 megahertz cordless. Then 7 goes to this phone, and number 8 goes to the phone in the bedroom, which don't have a ringer, so it kind of works pretty good. They're all mostly rotary phones. The reason why I bought this is because I used to use one of these. It's a pulse to tone converter, so every time you dial a number, you know, it has a loud touch tone in your ear. This thing works nice and quiet. So I run it off of this for the Cnet asterisk, which is 2 lines, complements a DJ. And then we use Magic Jack for pretty much our home phone, but now I can use it on any phone. So if I want to dial out with our rotary telephone, dial 82, you'll see the line activate, which is 82 is for CO2, and then you can dial 83, you'll see line number 2 kick on, and then say we want to call my other phone. You got the telephone here. Give it a moment, you'll hear it kick in. Oh, that's right, because I'm on that one, so it's beeping in on caller ID. I can dial out through that. I can dial 9, which is Magic Jack, and then call our local time number. So there's our local time number through the Magic Jack. And then a cool thing about this is you can call your other phones. So say if we want to call the green phone, I made this little list here. Dial 16 for my rotary phone. I need to ring this phone. Or I could go the other way. I could dial 17. I need to ring that phone. And this is pretty neat. And say I want to call downstairs, You can do it on the good old rotary. And then you hear it ringing downstairs. And I'll do one more just for the hell of it. And we'll do the good old wall phone. 1-3. Or no, that one's on 12, ain't it? Gotta get all these numbers memorized. There's that one up there. So that's cool stuff. I just thought I'd demonstrate it to you guys. I was trying to get this piece here doing kind of what this does, but I don't have a manual to it. And here's our answering machine. Caller ID. So, it's pretty much my phone setup, man. I hope you guys enjoy it.